Hello guys, welcome back to another pre-market analysis for this upcoming week. So I'll start by looking at the EURUSD and I'll look at the 1 hour time frame, then go to the 5 minutes time frame for entry setups, and I'll do the same for gold as well. So on the EURUSD, I'll start by identifying the highest point that price reached, which would be this one, and it's our current swing high, meaning the highest point that price reached on the current analysis that I'm doing. And right before that, we can see a breakout structure was created before formation of this high. So this was the last breakout structure created, right? After this breakout structure, this low here caused the breakout structure to be created. So this would be our last strong lower high. And the moment this lower high was broken, it became a change of character. So now we have a change of character here, indicating that price is now in a bearish market on the EURUSD pair. So after this change of character was created, it validated this point here as our valid higher low, right? And after that, I have to look for an inducement to validate the next valid lower low, and in this case this would be our inducement right here. So after price takes out the inducement, it validates a new valid lower low, which is this one right here. And after the lower low is broken with the 4-body candle close, we have a new valid breakout structure, right? So this tells us that the price is currently in a bearish market and the trend is your friend, so it's always wise to keep on trading with the trend, right? So after this breakout structure was created, it validated this point here, it's valid higher low, and the next valid inducement was taken out at this point right here. So we can identify this as a valid inducement that's taken out, and the moment it's taken out, it also validates a new valid lower low, which is this one right here. And right after that, again, price closed below this lower low with a 4-body candle close, and that gives us a new valid breakout structure. And the creation of this breakout structure also validates a new valid lower high at this point, right? So this is the current structure we have on the EURUSD. So the next thing we have to do right now is to look for an inducement, and in this case, this is our current valid inducement, which is still fresh, it's not yet mitigated. And for entries, we have to look for decisional order blocks and extreme order blocks. So our first decisional order block is this one right here, and once price mitigates this decisional order block, we can start looking for shorts targeting the previous lower low, which will be validated after inducement has been taken out. So currently this is not a valid lower low, it only becomes valid if price takes out inducement. So if inducement is taken out and then price mitigate the order block, we can look for shorts. But in case this is not respected, then we'll be looking for the extreme order block, which is this one right here. So these are the two possible entries we can get from the 1 hour time frame on EURUSD for shorts. But of course, market is going to go long if you were to trade here. So what you can do in this case is to switch to lower time frames and then look for bullish setups targeting this extreme order block or the decisional order block. This one's right here. But as for me, I only trade in line with the trend, so I'll be waiting for price to be delivered to these order blocks, and then I'll start looking for entries. Then going to the 5 minutes time frame to look for entry setups, I'll just identify the current market structure on the 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's also bearish. So for that reason, I'll just keep the 1 hour analysis, and once price mitigates this inducement in the order block, I'll switch to the 5 minutes to look for entry setups. Now going on to the gold markets, let's see how gold price is being delivered. So we can see gold just broke this high, which was a previous all-time high, and we can consider that a breakout structure. Actually, it's a change of character, because if we look at the previous price action, you can see that price made a breakout structure here, and after that breakout structure, it validated a new valid higher low, which is this one right here, and this higher low was not respected. So you can see that price broke below it with a 4-body candle close, which makes it a valid change of character. And after that, you can see there was no any inducement taken out here, and then price just went on to give us another valid change of character, meaning gold is now bullish. So with this in mind, it means I have to be looking for bullish entries on gold on the 1 hour time frame, right? So now if we try to look for the next valid inducement, you can see that is this one right here, and after price took out this inducement, it created a new valid higher high, which is this one right here. And after the high high was taken out, wait a minute, this inducement, I use an X to validate it. So just type X, put red color. So after this inducement was taken out, this became a valid high high. And then you can see price was trying to close above that high high, but it was failing. It just created liquidate crepes because it failed to close with a full body candle close, and the liquidate crepes kept on happening up until this point. So as of now, we don't have any valid breakout structure. It's just liquidate crepes, as you can see here. So gold did not create any breakout structure as of yet, and for that reason you can see that there's no any decision or order block unmitigated in these areas. So what this means is we have to look for order flows, and currently we have this order flow which is still fresh and unmitigated. So on gold market, when the market opens, I'll be looking for bullish entries from this order flow, I mean. So we may see price creating a small bullish push to retest this trend line that is being created, and then goes to the order flow, and then maybe continue bullish since of rally gold is in a bullish market. So yeah, this is it guys. This is what I have on gold in EURUSD, and I'll be sending more entry setups in my Discord channel and in the Telegram channel throughout the week. And if you want to copy my trades on EURUSD, just message me on, no, click the button in my Telegram channel. So if you join Telegram, you can see a button on top says copy my trades. You can just click on that and you can message my team. They'll guide you to start copying my trades. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be uploading weekly, daily videos throughout the week, hopefully. So yeah, this is it guys. I wish you all a profitable trading week ahead.